that time of the year again. End of financial year is here. And with it comes a pile of tax deadlines most small business owners aren't even aware of. Until it's too late, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most important end of financial year lodgement dates you need to know and how to avoid penalties that could hit your business hard if you miss them. Whether you're a sole trader, a company director, or running a trust, the ATO has a strict timelines for lodging and paying your tax obligations. Miss one, and you could be looking at an interest charges, late lodgement penalties, or even flag compliance check. And those fees, they rack up quickly. Let's go through the main ones. For most businesses, the end of financial year ends on June 30th, but the actual due dates fall after that. If you're lodging a tax return yourself, the due date is October 31st. But if you use a registered tax agent and you're up to date, you might get an extension through May of the following year. BAS lodgements are due either monthly or quarterly, so your June quarter BAS is due July 28th or August 25th if you lodge through a BAS agent. If you have higher staff, you will need to finalize Single Touch Payroll or STP data by July 14th. That tells the ATO and your employees what they earned this year. Superannuation contributions must be received by your employees' funds by June 30th to be deductible this year. So don't just transfer it on June 30th or it won't count. If you miss these deadlines, here's what can happen. The ATO can charge failure to lodge penalties starting at $313 and increasing every 29 days if you're late. You also get charged interest on unpaid tax, known as general interest charge. And if you miss super deadlines, the penalties are even worse. You won't be able to claim the deductions and you will owe extra in super guarantee charges. And remember, late lodgement increase your chances of an audit, especially if it's a pattern. So, how do you stay ahead of it? Get your bookkeeping up to date. You can lodge accurately if your numbers are a mess. Second, mark your lodgement dates in your calendar and set reminders at least a week before they're due. Third, work with the BAS or tax agent early. Don't wait until the deadline is days away. Agents can often get you an extension, but only if you're registered with them in advance. And finally, guess, if you're unsure whether something needs to be lodged, check with your advisors. A 5-minute call can save you thousands. End of financial year doesn't have to be a stressful scramble. When you know your deadlines and set up the right systems, you can breeze through tax season and keep your business penalty-free. If you have any questions or unsure what to do towards the end of the financial year, please feel free to book in a consultation through our link below.